This video is brought to you by the Library Research Support team. In this video, we're going to look at using Web of Science to find citation information. Basically, a citation is when one piece of work refers back to another. So, for example, an article quotes the work of a previous article. A piece of work with a high number of citations can be a very important piece of work. It could be something that's been referred to a lot by many people because its ideas were the first to be expressed in this way, because it has an important result, or perhaps because it was controversial in some way. Many databases will provide you with citation information, including library search. We're just using Web of Science to demonstrate the idea. So first of all, we just do a simple search. You can see I've got one already set up for legal education and university. That's my area of research. We click on the search button. We've got 123 results, and they're organised by default from the newest to the oldest items. If I want to see the most cited items, I can simply change the sort by option. So it's a drop down menu, so now I simply select times cited highest to lowest. So you can see at the top now we have this article by H.T. Edwards. And if we look to the right, we can see for each item there's a times cited. And you might have noticed for our first set of results, the top results had times cited 0. And that's simply because they're very new and unlikely to have been cited yet. Here we can see the most cited item has 326 citations, 326 references from other work. If we want to see what those citations are, we simply click on the number next to times cited. We can see the 326 items arranged again from newest to oldest, so we can see it's been cited as recently as 2017. So a large number of citations with recent citations included can indicate that an article is of particular importance in your field. It might be worth investigating. So that's one reason for looking at the citation count. Another reason for doing citation searching is it's another way to find out useful articles. So I can see which articles are referred back to Edwards' piece, and they might also be useful and relevant to me. If I want to reorder these by time cited, highest to lowest, I can do that again. And I can follow various lines of inquiry. It's important to bear in mind you still need to check each article to see if it's relevant and helpful to you. But citation searching can point you to items that have been very well used, very widely read and cited, and it can also point you to other relevant sources of information. For further support, see our website blogs.shu.ac.uk/library research support. Email us library-research-support@shu.ac.uk. Follow us on Twitter @ShuResearch, or call us on 0114 225 3852.